Hi, I'm Josh Springer, inventor of the Bottoms Up Beer Dispenser, and word on the street is you have sticky linkage. I'm going to show you how to unstick that linkage. All right, we're out here at one of our R&D dispensers. How we do R&D is we just don't clean it, and that helps us find where things are going to go wrong. So the underside of this one's pretty gross. It'll be perfect. So this is an on-counter dispenser. You might have an on-counter, you might have an in-counter. If it's an in-counter dispenser, what we really need to do is get to the underside of it, right? So with an on-counter, you just flip it up. With an in-counter, you're just going to open the door and reach up into the underside. But what we're looking for is this right here. This is the linkage, this piece right here. And sometimes they get stuck, right? It's most commonly right here. Something gets on here, whether it be a drop of beer, some syrup for making drinks, or whatever it may be. Some stuff gets there. To unstick it, all you simply do is put your finger here and push up on it, and that unsticks it, right? If it persists and continues to happen, you're just going to disassemble it, clean it really well, re-lubricate this part, and put it back together. We'll put that in another video for you.